Are you making a video?
Yeah. Look at all that food Katie ate. Oh my God, there's Jordan! Hello guys. There's Katie and all her food. So there's Jordan out there.
Oh, there's
What? Look at her outfit. She's running away. Shut the fuck up. Hide from him. We got you on candid camera. I'm serious. I've been doing this watching Katie do her math video. I'm not kidding. And I'm waiting for her to do it so I can copy it. She's so smart.
Oh, you're doing that packet. I have that too.
You want to copy off me? Because it was like I was next to Katie because you had to get in this video.
One of my favorites a lot.
Dude, batteries are low. Wow, Brandy.
I know, but it'll still work. Jordan, sit down. Next to Katie.
I want to watch it.
Oh, I wasn't taking the video the whole time, that time. Are you kidding me? When you zoomed it in and stuff.
Noob.
Just now?
Yeah.
I have special powers. I made it. That happened.
So we were videotaping you when you walked in. We saw you walking across, we're like, okay, Jordan. So we set it up here and we were like videotaping you and you were just standing up the door looking around like forever and then you started walking that way.
I'm set there. I'm too lazy to hold it.
Oh, don't freak my calculator, mister.
I just pressed the button.
I need your other work.
Your mom's gonna work.
You're on candid camera. You really are.
Why are you?
Katie's such a nerd. No, I'm not. Ew, Jordan's racing Katie.
Good.
You're over my nose.
Your mom is in my mouth. I mean your dad. I'm just kidding.
Y'all are pretty sick.
She finds my dad attractive. What?
It's so funny how Jordan stared at you. Oh my goodness.
These people are stupid.
What?
Hey.
You're on candid camera. Katie, do your math.
I can't. You'll have to copy. No, wait, no. I have to do it.
I know the answer.
You don't know math. You're still in math strategies.
No, I'm in biology. Yeah, I am.
Ew. So gross.
Jordan, I think you did something.
Oh my god. That was funny what you just did. Jordan, you gotta see your face. On here when she's like, oh. You should costume before you lay down.
Don't call you.
Yeah.
Did you push the button?
Huh?
So let me go. So we're at Chicken Express and we're doing homework. Right, Jordan? Jordan, finish.
I'm not.
Stop, I hate you.
Goddamn door, no. Much. You're trying to think. And take your money. I'm just kidding. That's freaking scary me. The freaking world's gonna see this. That's fucking scary.
Hey, what is this?
I chicken this. Oh, okay, Bobby. I'm cold.